A bit further away. Wow! Oh my god, look at the smoke! I'm going to wake up the neighbours! Oh! Is that it? Wow! That was a bit close to the tree, that one was. Send another one off. O-L-I-V-I-A. Jeez, those fireworks are loud, those ones are. Remember the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November. And he said September then. This one's nearly dying. Don't want to set fire. Ugh. Uh-oh. Okay!
These are the little cone ones.
Oh, that's a cute one. That was actually quite good. Right. Oh! Oh! High ones, they were. This one is a little Charlie one.
Anything out there at the front? Oh no. It's good sound, isn't it?
Wow. Right, apparently this is a Charlie one.
Best fireworks I ever saw was at Disney. You've seen them as well?
Yeah. That's a Charlie one apparently. Still going. Now it's dead. Jesus Christ! That scared the life out of me.
That went off, it just went in the mass in the... In fact, it just blew up in the flower pot, that did.
Move back! Oh, there we go. Is that it? Okay. Still going, still going. Wait for it to stop. Got a little tiny flame. Got a candle going. Go, Dad, it might go off. Oh, it's blowing out now.
This is the left. There's one more.
Oh! Wow. Last one! Uh-oh. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Woo! I thought I was going to set fire in. I told you not to.
What are you doing for me?
I told you. I thought I was going to set fire.
What do you think the branches? Is that stuck in the branches?
Oh my gosh.